Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen with the link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and you listen intently. Today we've got the bowl version of the new Shin Red. Yeah, what do we do? Water to the line. Okay. How long? 5 minutes and 30 seconds? Really? Microwave for 5.5 minutes. Okay. Here's the lid. That's what the lid looks like. And yeah. So, wow. What a week. I did one review this week. Here's the loose bits of veg that were in the thing, the noodle block. Now we have one and two, and it seems like 2 would go in first because it's powder, but no. Okay, so we add in 1. I thought this one was liquid. No, it's not. Okay. That is 1. It says 1 on it, just making sure. So we're going to take 1. We're going to zippy open it. Drop it in. 5.5 minutes. How much time do I have? I'm doing these at a time that I normally don't do my reviewing. It's 3 p.m. on a Friday the 28th, the last day of February in the year 2025. Just a note, you are not going to get a check for $8,000 from Elon Musk's Doge commission on the 30th. There's no or February 30th, okay? There never will be. But it's been going around. I think there will be some less educated folks who think, hey, this is gonna be great. But no. Okay, so 5.5 freaking minutes. Don't explode. I'm putting. I'm loath. There we go. Fingers crossed. Anyways, yeah, it's been quite a week. We now have spring. Earlier this week we didn't have spring, but now we have spring. I've gone out, gotten a little sun. In fact, Monday or Tuesday, I think it was, I ended up getting a sunburn in February. It's a little odd. And now it is Friday. Happy Friday. So yeah, I usually do a lot more reviews, but my wife had her surgery on Wednesday. It went very well. Thank you. She's resilient. She's taken up gymnastics after getting knee surgery. No. But hopefully soon we'll be able to go on nice walks together and stuff like that. She's had a lot of knee pain, so hopefully that'll be better. But right now it's like, you get somebody working on your knee, and that's gonna hurt. The healing part's gonna hurt. So, What else is going on? I'm like, I definitely have a time constraint, so I'm trying to see. God, please don't be difficult. The next one I'm doing is a curry, and I just want to know beforehand what I gotta have in line to do this. Boil noodles in 2 cups or 2.5 minutes. What? I really don't like it when they do this. They want you to boil the noodle, drain it, and then add it and all the seasonings and stuff to 1/2 cup? Really? Half cup boiled water and stir in seasoning. Mix well. Enjoy. Yeah, I did one recently that had that effect to it, that way of doing things, and I think what it causes, there's like a whole argument. Oh, you got to drain them because if you don't drain them, they're going to have all that gluten in the broth, and you don't want that. It's like, I do. I don't know. I'll do what they say. I will do as they tell me to do. What else is going on? I swear I got something the other day that was rad. I swear, but I don't know. We've been listening to the spring training games for our San Francisco Giants. No, I'm not in San Francisco. I've lived in Washington all my life. The state, not the DC. And yeah, I was a Mariners fan. I'll admit it. When my wife told me that we beat the Mariners, we, as in the San Francisco Giants, in spring training today, I was very pleased with that. So you could call me a traitor. That would be kind of rude. But yeah, I don't know. It just seems like I followed the Mariners for a long time. There was one season where they got really far, and then they just like choked. And of course, it was the White Sox or the Yankees. Yeah, that was 2001, wasn't that when 9/11 happened? And then they like extended the season out. No, that was September 11th. Yeah. So the postseason got pushed out, and there were a lot of people that were just saying that the Yankees were just going to win. They didn't. I don't think they won. I think the White Sox beat them. I don't know, they could be in the same league. I don't know. But yeah, the Mariners like won 116 games that season, and then they got to the postseason and sucked it hard. So, which is too bad. I was really a big fan of theirs back then, but not anymore. As soon as my wife and I got together, we found a kinship in baseball, and she had played softball as a catcher for a long time, and she's a pro, man. And I'm really happy the fact my daughter's going to start playing softball. What? It's not tomorrow, is it? I don't know. It's very soon. Okay, don't. Good. It didn't boil over. All is well. You know, we have like violently hot Shin red in a bowl that came out of the microwave. I really like the Nongshim's noodles that have gone through the microwave are really quite nice. Oh, I thought this was going to be a spicy sachet. It's So let's get you in on this. This is hot stuff. By the way, we got a bird feeder. And you know what? The birds love it. And so you may have noticed the intro for this. I'll put an outro with birds actually fighting at the end, I think. Yeah, I'll do that. It was kind of neat, but the first video I shot of it, my tripod wasn't tall enough. I used my video tripod the second time, and that one is really tall. What's the difference? I really don't know. I got it off of Amazon, and they said that it was a tripod for shooting video. It said nothing about photography. And what I've noticed about it is it extends really tall, but it has like sometimes they've got that little lever that spins around and the center part goes up. This doesn't have that. It's just kind of more stationary and fixed, but it gets really tall. Enjoying the noodle very much. Actually, I want to give this like way more of a stir. God, it's already 3:20. I gotta get the kids. I gotta run out to get the kids at 4. I know, you'd think that's not very long from now. It shouldn't take that long to make instant noodles, Ramen Raider guy. Well, it does. Spicy, very, very strong mushroom flavor to it. Yeah, I mean, this is just like, to me, I'm getting spicy mushroom, spicy mushroom flavor Korean standard. I don't know. Is it bad? No, it's not bad at all, but it's not like, it's not making me go, whoa, this is so different. But chances are you freaking love this stuff, because everybody seems to love Shin. I like it. I'm just like, I wish it was a little more savory. I think that's my main gripe about it. I really don't have any gripes about it per se. I love Nongshim products. Don't get me wrong. There's plenty of Nongshim stuff I love way more than Shin. Like the Soon Veggie Ramen. That one blows this so far out of the water. Because it's kind of like Shin, but it's a vegetable. It's more, it's cleaner. That's what I've always seemed like, smoother. I'm not saying that this is like dirty or anything, you know. A lot of you will put steak and junk. Chinese sausage. I'll tell you what. Yes, you will have to step foot in an Asian grocery. And it's okay. Your money spends just fine in the Asian grocery. You should go there and spend your money. But yeah, if you try this and like it, that's great. I'm okay with that. Good for you. You tried something new. Now keep trying stuff. Don't just stop at this. There's all sorts of things to explore with your face hole. All right, well, it's a sunny day. I just got my blind set up over there, so cool. And I am legally blind, that's why I wear shades. This is Lemonillo chicken curry. There's a sticker over this. It says curry chicken underneath, but they changed it to chicken curry. So yeah. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.